Make a Caesar salad. This is the right way to do it. First want to cut, and then you want to cut this way. This is the third Caesar salad. I bought this for 97 cents for 3 hearts. You want to cut a little bit bigger than an inch. My thumb is exactly an inch. So there's a reference point. See the size? Dump it into there. Go into a restaurant and they have a giant leaf that's bigger than these, they're not doing it right. This is how you do it. That piece right there, garbage. Some people, if you're in a restaurant, they will use that. Alright. So tonight, put that aside. This is my Caesar. I forgot to save the dollar. Oh well. 97 cents, I think it was, for 3 of these. You don't want to put too much. That looks good. That was about 3 tablespoons, I think. Then you want to walk it up. You don't want to oversaturate it. You just want to coat it. That looks perfectly coated. Notice the size. That is the biggest one in there. That's about 2 inches. If it's bigger than 2 inches, it's too big. Alright. This is how you know you didn't overcoat it. Look down. Alright, so what are we going to do with this tonight? A little Parmesan Romano cheese. We want to cheese it up. Oh, that looks good. We got some capers. We got 3 cans. Dollar store. Those are dollar store capers. Wish I could find them again. Probably got to go into the city. Three cans of salmon. Want to get all the salmon out of the can, use your finger. Get it out of that groove. This can got a little busted up. And that is my dinner. Vegetarian with some cheese and some fish. There we go. Look at that. That is pretty. And that is my dinner. So I made this for what? Less than $5. And this would definitely make somebody a happy camper. Love you.